Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm in a park now. It's quite far from my house. It takes around half hour from my house. So it's my first visit to this park. I come here just to take some photos and videos practicing photography to improve my skill. And later I will upload, submit to Microstock like Shutterstock, Adobe and also Pond5. So every day I keep practicing photography and videography in different locations. So now I'm going to practice here in this wonderful place. Okay, I've just arrived here. This is the place. Okay, let's get in. It doesn't look wonderful like in the review on Google Map. It just looks like an abandoned park. But it's okay. I will try to find something wonderful here, something unique, hunting footage and photos in this abandoned park. Sorry to say abandoned park. Someone posting some photos on Google Map review of this place 2 months ago, and it still looks really beautiful. Okay, this is my first photos with wonderful sky in the background. Let's try to find next. Oh, this is a swimming pool. I think the pattern of this leaf. Okay, it looks beautiful. The patterns of this leaf as well. Okay, it's wonderful as well. Wow, it's a beautiful tunnel. Let's try to find some photos and videos here. The pattern of this leaf, I think it looks wonderful. What fruit it is? Okay, it's unique, I guess. Not a fruit. Let's explore more. Maybe I can find other wonderful things here. Okay, there's triangle, the red one over there. I think it's also wonderful. I can take photos of it. Another tunnel here. It's yellow. It's made from bamboo. The previous one is red and this one is yellow. Okay, take photos of it. Tiny flower is also beautiful. Okay, I take some macro photos of it. White bougainville here. Okay, beautiful. Wow, wonderful roses. I think this is the most beautiful flower here. And this is the last photo, I guess. Okay, that's it from me for today. See you on the next video.